So this is the dismantling of the blue shed. As you can see, a bit rickety. So first off, clear everything around it. Took a little bit of time. Get what the missus says is 15 lawnmowers out. Plenty of tools. It's like the TARDIS, to be fair. There's a lot of lawnmowers in there. Started to do a bit of product advertising, so looking for lawn feed from Doff. You know where you are, not advertising at all. Send us some free stuff. Also, we've got some Miracle Grow Moss Liquid Killer. Send more free stuff. And Black & Decker. Other types are available, but this one sends some more free stuff. This was quite a challenging dismantle. How do you say it? Dismantle or opening or closing. This has been repaired quite a few times, hence why there's a lot of stuff coming out of it. And back to the advertising. Don't forget, for your best liquid seaweed for your grass, Doff. Send some free stuff. Now onto the roof. Now this roof was an absolute pain in the arse. Can't really say arse. I said it again. It seemed to be double wrapped, double skinned, and there was about 1,000 of those flat nails. So I had to get on top of it. It's sturdy, as in the roof didn't collapse. Not on my phone, honest. Trying to get everything out, and I've got a gammy knee. Didn't fall asleep, don't worry. Managed to get the felt off pretty much in one piece. Then rolled it up. Now this is going for free on FreeCycle, which I do have pending collection. Here we go on to the next bit. There's 2 bits of felt on top. And there's a lot of those little nails. So again, 1 bit, got it off. Now I had to try and get this plastic off, which was proving quite difficult. Trying to get onto it, so wondering what to do, so I thought, bugger it. Well, let's just tip it up. Get a bit of the old Harvey weight behind it, and there we go. Surprisingly easy to lift up. Bend your knees, straight back. There you go. Hulk. Trying to get these millions of nails out. This shed didn't leak, but it's now got more holes in it. Sieve, Karcher, your turn next. I've got a pressure washer, but it's not a Karcher. I'm sure all products and other suppliers are available. Now this was double skinned. Previous owner decided to not replace the roof, just cover it up, and then everything stopped to this. I believe this is what they call a false widow. Apparently if you get bitten, it's like a bee sting, can cause paralysis. So that went over the hedge. So don't forget Karcher, second one. And then we take these battens off. And they were pretty good battens. And then the roof came off. Now this one was really rotten. And some of these screws were just stuck. So, oh my god, this is going up and down like a horse drawers. And it's flimsy as hell. I'm surprised it didn't break. But it's quite light. There we go. So there's various screws in it to try and get the front off. Tried a lot. There's a few hidden screws, so couldn't get it undone, so I had to lift it up again. This time to try and get the bottom off. And there it nearly fell over. Nearly broke. There we go. Currently 3 hours into the dismantle. Front is off. Now we're getting the sides. That was a ball ache. Then this side, and that is pretty much done. Follow for more.